Guaranteed Roof is a family-focused business that started out as a Roof Max dealership. Over the years, we transitioned into newer services, including roof cleaning with our innovative, eco-friendly roof shampoo, as well as full roof replacements. We prioritize an exceptional client experience and believe in participating in the golden rule with all of our clients. Whatever we'll do for you is 100% what we'll do for ourselves. We believe in family first and strive to provide peace of mind to all of the homes and communities that we serve.
Yes, I would highly recommend Guaranteed Roofs for any of my family or friends. Everybody has just been really above anything I ever expected it to be. A++. Everything looks great.
We truly have seen the impact in the communities that we serve. We're proud to offer services that change lives and hope to continue that legacy. Guaranteed Roof is growing rapidly. We're honored to continue to offer our services with unwavering integrity. Our promise to our customers is to always lead our team to the highest standards and to always do the right thing, and that's a guarantee.